So hello friends, welcome to our channel UPSC with Parmar sir. Myself Raja Parmar, and we are going with 10-minute series of MP current affair. So today is the last lecture in which we will going to cover January month's current affair, January 2020. So let's start. The first important news from January month is first e-waste cleaning in India. E-waste clinic in India has been opened in Bhopal. India's first e-waste clinic has been opened in Bhopal by Central Pollution Control Board and Bhopal Municipal Corporation. So it is a trial project established for 3 months. If successful, other clinics will be opened across the country on the same lines. So it is important because it is India's first. Another important one is Mukhyamantri Karmachari Swasth Bima Yojana. So according to the scheme, 5 lakh rupees for general illness and 10 lakh rupees for critical illness and cashless treatment faculty up to 10,000 per annum in OPD outpatient department will be provided. Also free medicines will be distributed. This scheme will benefit all the current and retired employees of the state government. So this was important news. Another one is the Madhya Pradesh government has made the reading of preamble of the constitution mandatory in all the schools of the state. So from now onwards, reading of preamble will be mandatory. So MP is the second state after Maharashtra that has made reading of preamble mandatory in the schools. So it is something like that. Generally what people used to do ignore this preamble wala parts, and the question from PSC UPSC ask from preamble also. So no people will read preamble. Another important one is Indore has topped the Swachh Sarvekshan League 2020 among cities which have more than 10 lakh population. Indore was followed by Bhopal. Swachh Sarvekshan was started in year 2016. West Bengal did not participate in the Swachh Sarvekshan. So that was important. Another one is Suman Kalyanpur and Kuldeep Singh to get Madhya Pradesh Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2017 and 2018 respectively. So Suman Kalyanpur got this MP Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2017, Kuldeep Singh for 2018. And Suman Kalyanpur is an Indian singer and Kuldeep Singh is a music director. So be careful about it. Kalyanpur is an Indian singer and Kuldeep Singh is a music director. Both have been chosen for the award for their contribution to the field of music. See, the question can ask from the personality wala part. They have specifically mentioned important personality, and these are important personalities. So question can be asked. So be careful. The award consists of cash prize of 2 lakh along with a shawl, a citation and a Srifal coconut. The award has been instituted by Madhya Pradesh in 1984-85 in honor of renowned singer Lata Mangeshkar 90 years, and MP is the birthplace of Lata. So music director Nausal Ali was first person to receive the award in 1984-85. Nausal Ali was the first person to receive the award. Another one is 63rd National Shooting Championship Competition 2019 held in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. So this news is also too much important. Jeena Kitta of Himachal Pradesh won the Women's National 10 meter rifle. Jeena Kitta of Himachal Pradesh. And Saurabh Chaudhary of UP won the gold medal in men's 10 meter air pistol. So this pistol and rifle, this is not too much important, but that name are important. Saurabh Chaudhary from UP won the gold medal in men, and for women Jeena Kitta of Himachal Pradesh. So this is important. Another one is Bhopal's titular queen Saleha Sultan passed away at 80. Princess Saleha Sultan was known as Dimpu. डिम्पू के नाम से भी इन्हें जाना जाता था. द टिटुलर क्वीन ऑफ भोपाल पास्ड अवे इन हैदराबाद ड्यू टू ब्रेन हेमोरेज एट द एज ऑफ 80. So this is important. Sunita Chandra, 70-year-old. Next important news. Sunita Chandra, 70-year-old, passed away in her hometown Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. She was Arjun awardee and also the captain of India's hockey team. So very important. Arjun awardee plus captain of hockey team. And from Bhopal, Sunita Chandra passed away. This Sunita Chandra, Dimpu, Saleha Sultan, original name. These are very important part from personality. So before exam, just watch this video once again, so that you can recall in the paper also. So this was the, I think, last. So this is something from January. We have covered all important news from January 2020 to December 2020. So all important news for 1 year for MP. So it's completed. Now what we will do, we will upload 4 more videos from January 2021, February 2021, March 2021, and these 3 videos we will upload. So keep wait for it. Let's subscribe the channel, so that and press the bell icon also, so that you can get the notification as soon as possible. Okay then, bye bye, have a good day.